Hello and welcome. This is the second video on the topic pump off detection. Here I will show you the impact of changing the restart delay. Last step is to change the configuration for restart delay. This will impact the delay before the valve starts controlling, when the pumps are back on, but the valve is not able to reach the desired flow rate. Ideally, this should be kept short. We will simulate with a short delay of 5 seconds and a longer one of 30 seconds to see the difference. So let's prepare the configuration for the pump off detection with a restart delay of 5 seconds. So we click restart delay and we change to 5 seconds. We look at the live feed and we see we're now at around 750 liters with an opening of 61%. Let's shut the pump off. Then we see it opening and then closing back to the waiting position. We go up to 73% and then we go back to the waiting position. So to simulate lower differential pressure, I will close the STAD on top of the demo unit a bit. The result will be that TA Smart will not be able to reach the desired flow rate. Put the pump back on and then now you see the flow rate increasing. We are passing the minimum flow and after 5 seconds the valve starts controlling. You see the opening changing to 80%, 83%, trying to achieve the desired flow rate of 750 liters. And we're there. Okay, let's change the configuration of the restart delay to 30 seconds. To see the difference. Prepared in the same way, so I will open the valve first, make it go to 750 liters with an opening of around 60% to have the same setup as before. We're at the 61% opening, 750 liters again. Shut the pump off. The valve opens and then closes back to the waiting position, same as before with a 5-second delay setup. So we see the same. We'll close the valve again to simulate a lower available differential pressure. Put the pump back on. We see the flow increasing, passing the minimum flow. And then we see that we get into a position where the flow is not reached, so we are around 450 liters with an opening of 61%, and now it is taking way longer time before the valve restarts controlling because we configured for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, after passing the minimum flow, we will start controlling again, and this is this point where you see the valve opening to 75–82%. So here you clearly see the difference of the two different configurations. Pump off detection is not active when the functionality is not activated. The control mode is position control, when the measured flow is below the minimum flow of the valve, when the valve is calibrating, or when the actuator position is below 5% of the full stroke. So the waiting position, or the position where TA Smart will move to, is calculated during an analysis of the information 1 minute before the pump off was detected. The restart delay is clearly not a delay in control, but it is a time TS-Smart will allow for the system to restart, this time patiently staying in the waiting position. I hope you enjoyed this video, that it has given you some more insights on the powerful TS-Smart feature pump off detection, and that you are now able to configure and demonstrate the operation. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. See you in the next Hydronic College video or training.